Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable auto answer calls on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the G crown once on your Apple Watch 9. To go to the app menu, on the app menu, locate and click on settings. Scroll down the settings page, just keep scrolling to get to accessibility, then click on that. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page, just keep scrolling until you get to auto answer calls. Click on that. Now to enable auto answer calls on your Apple Watch 9, toggle auto answer calls on, then scroll down, and then you can now increase how long you want your Apple Watch to ring before it picks up automatically. You can see Apple Watch will wait 10 seconds until the call is answered automatically. If you want to increase the time, just use this plus button to increase how long you want your Apple Watch to ring before it picks up the call. And if you want to reduce, just use this negative button to reduce it. So it's advisable to set this between 5 and 10 seconds so that your Apple Watch will be able to pick up the call before the call ended. And if you want to disable auto answer calls on your Apple Watch Series 9, just come here and toggle this off, and then you're good. So that's it, sadly, how to enable or disable auto answer calls on Apple Watch 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.